Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can customize the appearance of the start screen in numerous ways. You can control the placement and grouping of the app tiles, as well as the name of the tile groupings that you create. You can also customize the appearance of many of the individual app tiles themselves within the start screen. In this lesson, we will examine how to make these types of customizations to the start screen. Now, when you install apps from the Windows Store, you will see a new tile for the app appear within the start screen. You can also add tiles to the start screen for legacy desktop applications if you are upgrading to Windows 8. To do this, simply find the executable or application icon for which you want to add a start screen tile within the desktop, and then right-click on the icon. From the pop-up menu that appears, select the Pin to Start command to add a tile for that program to the start screen in the next available tile icon position within the most recent tile group. Now, if you can't find the application through the desktop, you can find it through the start screen. You can display tile icons for all of the applications on your computer by right-clicking into the empty space within the start screen. At the bottom of the start screen, an options bar will appear. Click the All Apps icon within this bar to display a listing of all of the available apps within the start screen. You can then find the app that you want to pin to the start screen within this list. Then right-click on the desired app to display the options bar at the bottom of the screen again. This time, click the Pin to Start icon within the options bar to pin the selected app to the start screen. Also note, if you right-click on an app by mistake, you can right-click it again to hide the options bar that appears. You can remove an app from the start screen by right-clicking the app to remove in order to display the options bar. Then click the Unpin from Start icon within the bar to remove the app from the tile grouping within the start screen. You can arrange the app tiles within the start screen by simply clicking and dragging them to the desired location, then releasing them when they are in the desired position within the tile group. You can also create new tile groupings by clicking and dragging the app's tile icon to the far right side of the start screen, past the thin bar that appears once you've dragged it as far to the right as possible, and then releasing the app tile to create a new tile grouping. You can also name the tile groupings that you create so that you can easily tell what types of apps are located within a group. For example, you could create a Microsoft Office tile grouping for your Microsoft Office application tiles within the start screen. So after creating the tile group, you can name the group by clicking the small button that appears at the far right end of the scroll bar at the bottom of the start screen. The app tiles will then be shrunk down and displayed by grouping across the screen. Simply right-click on the grouping that you want to name to display the options bar. Then click the Name Group button within the bar. Then type a name for the group of tiles into the text box that appears. When you're finished, simply click the Name button to name the tile grouping. Note that you can also click and drag on the tile groupings that appear to reorder the tile groupings within your start screen. Now, when you are finished managing your tile groupings, simply click into the blank area within the start screen to return to the normal start screen view. Note that you can also customize the settings of the individual app tiles within the start screen. To do this, simply right-click on any app tile to display the options bar at the bottom of the screen. You can then click on any option shown within this bar to apply the desired setting. Note that the settings will vary depending upon the app tile that you selected. However, common options include smaller, larger, and uninstall. Note that if you do not want to make any changes to the selected app tile, you can simply right-click on it again to make the options bar disappear.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.